Hey J team, it's Justin. Final part, DS repair. It's completely fully assembled. So here's the DS that what it originally looked like, all destroyed. And the only thing that I could salvage out of this mess was the main board from here, which is the $1.50 DS. So the main board was the only salvageable part. And here's the DS with the new frame and screen, new parts, and the only original part from this DS that's in here is the main board. So let's do a test to see how she works now that she's been fully restored. So I'm going to have the volume up on full. Click on. There she is. Nintendo DS. Whoop. So you can see the upper screen looks good. Bottom one's there. Click on it. You can see the upper screen there. Looks all nice. And then here's the bottom screen. So what I'll do here is I'll set it up and then I'll show you guys it. So I'm just gonna, oops, double clicked it. Oops. Gotta spell my name right. Oops. There we go. So I'm just setting everything up, you guys. Oh, my phone's right there. So first, first 2019. $5.11 from that. So I'm just setting it up right now, you guys. First 08, or 08, 01, or 09, 01. Oh. Okay. Just make sure I get everything. Okay, here it goes. Nintendo DS. So there's the game I just selected. So it's kind of hard to see. Here we go. There it is. There's the upper screen, and there's the bottom screen. There you go. You can see it right there. DS is fully working. Sounds pretty good. So I'm going to shut it off. So there you guys have it, a fully working DS. It's now repaired. So going from a DS that was totally broken, completely broken, and unfixable at the time, and now it's repair. So sometimes I can fix stuff that's pretty badly damaged. So So yeah, it's one fixed Nintendo DS Lite. So this DS Lite is like brand new now and ready to be played. So this right here, before all in pieces, and so before all broken here, and now. This is originally for the $1.50. This is now for the $1.51. So this DS is like as fresh out of the factory, except that those little stickers that go over here, those are only missing thing. Besides that, it's all there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I helped you guys out with repairs and diagnostics. And you guys have a nice day. Alright, see you in the next repair video.